20 fastest bikes in the world. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. 400 km per hour. Track-only supercharged hyperbike and one of the fastest motorcycles ever built. Ducati Panigale V4 R. 320 km per hour. Race-inspired superbike with MotoGP technology and a powerful V4 engine. BMW M1000RR. 314 km per hour. BMW's flagship racing superbike featuring aerodynamic winglets and track-focused performance. Suzuki Hayabusa. 312 km per hour. Legendary high-speed sport touring motorcycle known for comfort and power. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. 299 km per hour. World Superbike Championship winning superbike with advanced electronics. BMW S1000RR. 303 km per hour. Popular superbike famous for its balance of speed, technology, and handling. Honda CBR 1000RR, R Fireblade SP. 299 km per hour. Honda's premium superbike developed with MotoGP-inspired engineering. Yamaha YZF-R1M. 299 km per hour. High-performance superbike with electronic suspension and racing technology. Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. 300 km per hour. Naked superbike combining superbike power with upright ergonomics. Aprilia RS-V4 Factory. 305 km per hour. Italian V4 superbike known for exceptional handling and track performance. MV Agusta F4 RR. 300 km per hour. Exotic Italian superbike with premium design and high-performance engineering. Kawasaki Ninja H2. 337 km per hour. Street-legal supercharged motorcycle delivering extreme acceleration and speed. KTM 1390 Super Duke R EVO. 290 km per hour. Powerful naked bike nicknamed the Beast for its aggressive performance. Ducati Superleggera V4. 300 km per hour. Lightweight limited edition carbon fiber superbike with extreme performance. Suzuki GSX R1000R. 299 km per hour. Iconic superbike offering excellent track and street performance. Honda CBR 650R. 240 km per hour. Sport motorcycle suitable for daily riding and beginner to intermediate riders. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. 260 km per hour. Popular middleweight supersport bike with agile handling and strong performance. Triumph Speed Triple 1200RR. 265 km per hour. Premium British sport naked motorcycle with powerful triple-cylinder engine. Yamaha R1. 299 km per hour. World-famous superbike featuring cross-plane engine technology. BMW K1600 GT. 250 km per hour. Luxury sport touring motorcycle with a smooth 6-cylinder engine and long-distance comfort.